there is some bridge maximum for 12 ton. You see, 12 ton. Otherwise the bridge will fall apart. Very narrow as always. So right, my friend, thank you very much. The two navigations start to say, where are you going? Go back. But it's like that with trucks, right? It's very charming. Look at this. Where you will see that. Well, welcome back. Look at these beautiful roads. Again, in the French Provence. Very narrow and very village. We are going to see now a really beautiful place that we just passed through, because we had delivery not so far away from here in some farm. As you can see, we are entering in some very beautiful area, a nice village that I would love to walk and to visit better, but even with a truck it's not bad at all. There is some bridge there that all the two navigations, even the truck one, it's showing that we can pass from there, but that's not true because it's maximum for 12 ton and we are 13, and I put it in the navigation, but obviously it doesn't want to listen. You see, 12 ton, no more. Otherwise the bridge will fall apart. So we are obligated to do a very big round. As you can see, there is the deviation. Otherwise it's there, the bridge. Very narrow as always, cars everywhere. It's good that this guy. So right, my friend, thank you very much. Bon appétit tout le monde. And as you can see, the two navigations start to say, where are you going? Go back. Yeah, sure. You want me to die on that bridge? No, thank you. There was a huge storm yesterday here, and we saw that a lot of electricity cables and a lot of trees fall on the ground. Everything was broken. It's like in 10 kilometers from here. But I will show you that in another video. I'm not even sure where I'm going. Okay, it's good. I have to take care because there is my father with his truck behind, and he doesn't use the navigation, so if he loses me, he will be lost. So I have to drive more slow for him. Isn't it adorable, guys? All the fields, all the nice houses here. Look at that. I love how every single house have its own charm. you see how the people really put effort to do them beautiful and to have their own character. So thanks to all the people that do effort for their garden and houses, so us the truck drivers can enjoy it. Wow. Sadly we can't see because my rear mirrors are blocking the view, but there is some type of house here. Oh no, it's a church. I thought it's a house. Oopsie, oopsie. Thank you, my friend. I'm going to pass, don't worry. We're gonna squeeze this truck on those tiny roads. Thank you, my friend. Another nice guy. Thank you very much. Adorable people. Have to be careful on these bumps, so it's not too rough for the truck. And then very soon I'm going to show you a castle that it's very beautiful. We couldn't see a lot. I hope you saw something. But it's like that with trucks, right? The most important is that we have to do the deliveries. Don't be too late. Sorry, my friend, I didn't see this guy. But I'm gonna make him pass now. But there is cars coming. Yeah, I know you are in a hurry. I know. Let me let you hear. Go, 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 go. Go, my friend. Yeah, no problem, but it was very dangerous what she tried to do. There is not a lot of space for the two of us. Some sharp corner, taking it as Max Verstappen. Oh yeah. I love the time that when we do the delivery, so we are not in a hurry anymore, and we just have to go home. We have around, I don't know, 3 hours maybe, 3 hours 30 to go back home, and we can drive more chill, especially when you're empty, when the trailer is empty. It's so much easier to drive and more calm for sure. Oh, they were building a pool, a swimming pool. It was looking like it's almost done. Very nice. For all the people that watch me from very, thank you, madame, from very far away and not so much, mainly people that never visit France, I suggest you to visit this beautiful country. As you can see, I'm really not at all in popular places, but it's still so worth it and so beautiful to visit. It's very charming. Look at this. Where you will see that? This typical architecture and the narrow roads, the massive churches. Slow down, my friends. I'm gonna break my tires, otherwise. Is my father coming? Ah, yes, okay. He's there. Thank you very much. You're all so nice here. The people that watch my videos often, it's not something very common that happen, right? People to make you space and you to pass calmly. It doesn't happen at all in our region next to Poitiers and Tours. There is so much farms here. It's incredible. So much animals and producers of different type of things. And there is still work for everybody. And there is still places where they can sell their products. It's impressive. So yeah, that was it for the today video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed those beautiful landscapes and another road, of course. If you really like the video, let a comment below, subscribe for the channel. I would really appreciate it. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.